Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware. Make sure an RTX GPU or supported driver is present and update Nvidia drivers. Once done, install Nvidia Broadcast. This is the only way that leverages the RTX audio models. Close conferencing or recording apps before installing. This prevents device conflicts. After installation, open Broadcast and pick your microphone input. Make sure Windows sound settings also show Nvidia as the default recording device, so apps use the noise removal pipeline automatically. Now configure the processing. In Nvidia Broadcast, enable noise removal for your microphone and choose a reduction level that removes background sound without flattening your voice. Once enabled, use the app's built-in monitoring to listen to processed audio and adjust gain or EQ if you hear artifacts. Next, switch your conferencing or recording software's microphone to the Nvidia Broadcast virtual device. This routes all app audio through the RTX models, giving consistent suppression across programs once set, so make sure each app points to Broadcast. Finish by recording a test segment, speak, trigger common background noises, and evaluate clarity and latency. If you hear distortion, clipping, or robotic artifacts, first reduce the noise removal strength. Make sure your microphone gain isn't too high. If problems persist, restart audio services, reinstall Nvidia Broadcast, and update drivers. These steps resolve device conflicts. If nothing helps, temporarily set the app to pass-through to isolate the issue, then re-enable removal. Remember, one key tip: lower removal strength before reinstalling, because aggressive settings often cause artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.